Hello dear bosses! Real footage of excavator parts production, packaging and container loading. Professional production of excavator spare parts. Complete series of hydraulic parts, undercarriage parts and engine parts, with exquisite craftsmanship and reliable quality. High-quality excavator spare parts, genuine materials, durable performance, reliable factory supply. Manual precise sorting and double-layer protective packaging. Moisture-proof and damage-proof, every detail is strictly checked to ensure intact delivery. Bulk order container loading, standardized packing and efficient shipment to overseas markets, with stable and guaranteed delivery. Welcome all bosses to inquire and place orders.